I like Sonam Kapoor and Riya Kapoor. I think they're really
I would agree with that.
stylists. I wasn't a brat. I used to throw shit fits because I wanted my parents' attention. Like there's always a comparison that I felt that will I be able to be as good as her? So that's one thing that I always wanted to be like her.
रोना धोना थोड़ा हो जाता है मेरे से ज़्यादा.
What? इसके साथ लड़ाई करने में क्या रोना?
No, it's that
Get
was
her
that
makeup.
was pre-marriage. That was pre-marriage.
You still do that when we're sleeping. She does that to her husband.
Before he came into the picture, the stress was about my partner. Then we three bonded as together. Then the question was whether the fourth person will be able to bond as much as we three are bonding together.
Hello everybody, this is Manisha. Welcome back to Social Nation. For a Raksha Bandhan special, today we have the Gambhir sisters with us. They are all into styling really beautiful girls. Let's welcome them. Say hi.
So sweet. Hello, hello. Hi, thank you
Hi.
for having us.
Because it's a Raksha Bandhan special, we are going to start with first both of you all tying each other Rakhi. फिर
Interesting. चलो शुरू करते हैं.
And the one,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. This is the thing.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah,
though.
I know.
thank you for coming.
Do you have like a sibling?
I have an elder sibling.
So you
Oh,
all
yeah?
try
3 years
to each
gap.
other.
Same.
yeah?
Yeah. I have a brother too. That's why this was so
हाँ,
similar.
It's a similar this thing now. Yes. मुंह मीठा कर ले.
Of course. Full.
Let me.
No. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Welcome.
And see, Bhanim, I got some mithai.
बहन तो देती होगी यार मिठाई. ऐसे ऐसे कैसे बोल
ये भिजवाती है. उसको पता चले कोई occasion है. Even if it's like anything, she is so pro. She'll just order mithai, cakes, sweets, and there's gonna be like this Zomato delivery guy. खाने का समय होता है. I'll be like मैंने तो order नहीं किया है.
So
तो
what
नाम
is-
देखती हूँ तो सुखमनी.
What is her comfort sweet though?
Her or mine?
Both.
Hers is Bengali sweets.
Yeah. I love Indian Bengali
Yours?
sweets.
Mine is desserts. Anything, a cake,
Anything
chocolate.
sweet is
anything
good
chocolate.
for her.
More chocolate.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ,
like-
वही मैं तो चाशनी भी पी जाऊंगी.
अरे यार. Okay, now I want to start this conversation from the beginning. I want to know आप दोनों बहनें बचपन में कैसे थे? Start with that.
बचपन में. Oh.
लड़ाई होती थी.
She's seen more of my bachpan.
Yeah,
because she's the first born.
Yeah.
तो मुझे नहीं पता ये 3 साल तक क्या कर रही थी मेरे बिना. But then I came and then the
I think
angel.
I matured up by the time siblings like she happened and brother came into our lives and everything. So I had this very motherly instinct for her, for my brother and everything. She was like this brat. I won't say spoiled, but she was like a full-on brat and like little
She was
bossy
just-
queen around the house. Oh my god, she was like this boss lady of the house.
No, I'm
See,
see,
no, no,
to
no,
support
no.
you, I will say no wait. To
See, I'm the
support.
second born child, okay? And as a second born, and this is something that I realized eventually in life that my behavior. I wasn't a brat. I used to throw shit fits because I wanted my parents' attention. See, she's had their sole attention, correct? As a first born,
Yeah.
and as a second born, I never had that.
But
straight
our
up.
parents' focus
हाँ,
did
they did.
shift.
It's just that-
it absolutely shifted
Yeah, yeah.
immediately. By the time like she
Yeah.
was born, then suddenly I also took
She
up
became the mother. She was
responsibility.
always.
That's
She's
true.
always been
Yeah.
the best sister that I've asked for.
But I think elder
And she
sisters-
could have asked for the.
Yeah, but yeah,
I've been the best
वो
younger
तारीफ
sister.
के लिए खुद
even
करनी
when we
थी.
used to go down to play or anything we used to do for her, it was always like she didn't even have to be that boss lady. Everybody just followed her. Like that was her aura. I feel. Yeah, it's true. Don't deny it. Just
but
accept
there
it.
is
Just
this
be in acceptance.
no
Don't
there is
deny
this
it.
saying that the parents, who do they support more? Do they support the elder sibling or the younger sibling?
No,
So
don't
what is
do
the
that.
truth in
They
this
support
household?
They support what's right and what's wrong. Now, if
Eh,
she's
ये
pointing at
ज़्यादा
me,
हो गया.
that
नहीं,
means
नहीं.
Very
Please.
diplomatic.
No,
Very
this is
diplomatic.
not happening.
It's not
No, no.
diplomatic. ये वही है मतलब.
Obviously.
But there have been times when you've been right and they've come and scolded me
It's
and everything.
So,
डांट सबको
it's
पड़ी है,
just-
पिटाई
But
सबकी
mostly
हुई
she's
है.
also right. She's right that I am a spoiled one. And
Not
then they
spoiled,
have
but
to choose
it's
the right one, and she's the right.
It's there's certain people's energy like her energy has been in a way like that the world revolves around me. You know, it's been like
Main
that.
character.
It's like main character.
I think that's all
energy.
every younger sibling. Yeah.
No, my brother was not like that. Her energy, like I'm telling you ना, हम नीचे भी खेलने जाते थे, हम कहीं पर भी जाते थे. It's always been in a way that somehow she has that power that whatever she'll say, we'll all follow. It's like that. It happens.
Never. अब भी नीचे गाड़ी में हमारी लड़ाई हुई.
लड़ाई नहीं
Yeah,
है,
and
it's
she's
just-
like, I told her something and
No,
she's like,
but
so what do I do with
no,
it?
No, but I told her कि didn't I tell you this? Which she denied it. So I was
It's
like,
all in front
it's
of
okay. No, anyways, let's not get into
बंद कर
detail
दे
here. ये चलता रह जाएगा फिर.
No, but I to think, see, I understand where she's coming from because I'm the younger sibling, and I just think,
दुख दर्द और पीड़ा.
कोई मेरा भी दुख समझ लो यार.
no, I will never support the elder sibling now that I'm the younger
That's
sibling.
very kind of you. But thank you so much for doing that.
No, what I'm saying is because we are the younger ones, I think we do end up taking the attention because we think
Yeah.
कि हमारे बिना entertainment तो हो ही नहीं सकती family में. ना.
Yes,
She's that
and
which is
also,
not
you know,
demanding.
she's always been so nice that I always felt that I have a great sense of, you know, a very big shoe to fill, you know.
that is
There's
true.
always a comparison that I felt that, you know, will I be able to be as good as her? So that's the one thing that I always wanted to be like her, like, you know. And it was always healthy. So she was a good.
It is true, it's
yeah,
true.
so she was a good
We are
role
good.
model for me to follow. So as a younger sibling, she was a great role model to follow. But it was always a thing where, you know, will I be able to fill in the shoes that she's already created? So that was all about it for my
Yeah.
thing.
That's
Me
fair.
too. Yeah. It is what it is.
But tell me, how does your household celebrate Raksha Bandhan?
Raksha
What are the
Oh,
cultures?
it was. It's always been so. Till for 3 years it was me and her, and that time, you know, वो इतना concept नहीं था कि बहनें बहनों को राखी बांधती है and all that.
Yeah.
So we
Also
always
the
used to
brother.
like be like, oh, we want a brother, we want a brother. And then when brother came into our lives, brother.
No, so honestly, in like every Indian household, every celebration is very chaotic in our house. So you know, किसको कौन सी मिठाई चाहिए, कौन क्या कपड़े पहन रहा है, क्या गिफ्ट चाहिए. So till last minute, it's just like
कपड़े
things
बचपन से ही
just
हमारे
like-
लिए बहुत important रहे हैं.
So
What
we
are
have
we
to
wearing?
twin.
Yeah.
Oh my
Until
God.
Yeah.
I found my own style, I was like, I want to wear what
Yeah.
she's wearing. Like I said, I had to like, you know, fill in the shoes, hairstyle, shoes, bag.
She
things
was like mom was given clear instructions कि जो ये पहनेगी मैं वही पहनूंगी, वरना I'm not
Clone.
going or वरना I'm not
Yeah,
celebrating my
extra.
birthday. Yeah, for
Yeah.
her birthday also we are twinning. For my birthday also we are twinning. For
Rakhi
Raksha Bandhan
also,
also we are
yeah.
twinning. We are going for a wedding. We are twinning. There was a whole phase between
But I
our
think
lives.
this happens with
Yeah, that was just
siblings,
like when
Yeah.
I was say 3 to
Yeah.
3 until I realized that, you know.
Yeah, I
We
think
need to
3 to
look
6.
different.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like-
3 to like 9 years old तक like we were like twinning with each other. Then eventually we just gave up. We were like, अब जो मन करता है पहन लेते हैं.
But you're making this seem very sweet and nice. Tell me if there was rivalry between the two of you
Always.
ever.
We still, I too told you,
Always,
not
yeah.
sweet and nice. I too told you we
Yeah.
were
You
fighting
told
in the
more nice things than the
बहुत
rivalry.
झगड़े बहुत anything and everything could have been a fight in like
yeah, I think we fight on the things that people will not even think that we can fight on.
Yeah.
Like
Like
there are
what?
things that if there's a fight we need to pick on, I'll laugh on it and I'll walk away. But
Yeah.
if there is one thing which is the least possible thing that we
Yeah.
can fight on,
Yeah.
will be a
It
fight.
could be like तूने ये मिठाई ये कटोरी में क्यों डाली और इसमें क्यों नहीं डाली. It
नहीं,
could have
yeah,
been
or
that
you know,
silly
you
also.
said that we will go here to eat, but we are going there to eat. It is
Yeah. We were supposed to
It's the
leave at this
pettiest
time,
thing.
but we are leaving
Yeah.
at this time. So
petty.
yeah,
It's very petty.
it's very stupid
These are okay,
reasons.
it's fine.
हाँ.
ये तो चलता रहता है, that's okay.
Yeah.
हाँ, ऐसे मतलब
But हम इसको बहुत बड़ा blow up कर देते हैं.
हाँ.
ऐसा चलता है हमारा.
Because क्योंकि पूरी फैमिली आ जाती है फिर भी.
Then
वही
sometimes
तो-
we forget why we were fighting. After days we realize we're not talking to each other. हम क्यों लड़ रहे थे याद नहीं आता, फिर हम बात कर लेते.
we are still roommates. It's like that.
What
so,
are you
Yeah, like we are
saying?
fighting, but we are roommates
अच्छा,
because
वैसा.
we used to share a room and everything. We are not talking to each other, but we are
Before
still,
marriage.
Yeah, this
That's
is
what
before
I was in
marriage.
my head. I'm like, okay,
Yeah,
now she's got
After
a
marriage,
marriage.
we had the facility to not see each other.
Rub each
How
other.
long
Yeah.
did you all share a room for?
Always.
Always.
Since
We've always
yeah.
been like that
Roomies.
Till
Yeah.
what age? Till she
Till
got
she got
married.
married.
Yeah, till I got married, we were sharing a room.
How
Yeah.
is that possible?
The biggest problem was कौन रात को light बंद करेगा.
Yeah,
Now तो
we
we have
had
that
lot
facility
of,
of remote
remote
वाला.
lights, remote
Oh my
fans
god, the
and
biggest
everything.
fight we used to have
Yeah,
was
कि
sometimes I
last
used to
में-
pretend I've gone to sleep and you have to go switch off the light.
get up and switch off the light because the switch was at the other end of the this, and we
तुम
got
जाओ
too
और
comfortable in
But
the
वो तो
bed.
पकड़ लेती होगी फिर कि no you haven't slept.
नहीं.
No, then I used to.
manage हो जाता
No,
था.
there were days when we used to keep the light on only and zid pe.
हाँ, कि
अरे.
अरे you were supposed to do at
और
3
fan
a.m.
also.
then yeah.
Who's going to switch on?
That's what I'm saying ना, हमारी लड़ाइयाँ और झगड़े
Very
इतने
petty.
petty और
Very
इतने
petty.
stupid reason से हुए हैं और बस उसको खींचना है chewing gum की तरह, we are stretching.
And then we'll
stretching.
have days that आज मैंने किया था तो कल
तो
तुम
कल
करोगे.
करेगी, yeah.
But when y'all are fighting, what is the easiest way to manao the other person?
We
कि
don't
ऐसा-
manao each other.
तो
Like
क्या
there's
है?
a
क्या
very
करते हो?
big grand intervention of the mother
Yeah.
coming in and saying that
No way.
this
Yeah.
is why I got 2 girls in this world.
Yeah,
I thought
because
you will be
all
each other's
your
best friends.
Yeah, this is exactly what it
What are
is.
you
Mother
saying?
has
This
to
should be
get
some
Indian
involved.
cute
household,
thing
uh,
that you do for each
Cute,
other when y'all
no.
are
You wanted
angry.
it
You're
rivalry.
fighting,
See,
when
rivalry
you're
is
fighting,
chill,
there is
but-
no cuteness at all. Like there's howling, there's
There's
screaming,
slamming of,
there's doors.
हाँ उसके
Then they'll be like,
बाद
मुझे इसकी
उसके
शक्ल
बाद-
नहीं
because
देखनी
then
है
you
कभी.
decide you're not talking. Okay,
Yeah.
then
उसके
suddenly
बाद
how
we-
do you start talking?
We'll go in the kitchen, cook a meal together. अच्छा
Yeah.
क्या बना रहे, क्या खाना है. Food
Then
is our
slyly
normal.
there's gonna
Yeah.
be a
Yeah.
slide in of a conversation when we feel everything's gotten like thanda and all. Then suddenly we'll be like, तूने ये देखा क्या? तूने ये किया क्या? So then
We'll slide into
then
each other's DMs like creep.
Yeah, like we'll probably
ये
message
घर
each
में
other.
होंगी कि क्या क्या DMs में slip करना है?
But
Some-
some
some
we'll send
meme,
in some
some funny
forward, some
thing.
reel or something, and then if the samne wala's
Like a
responded,
conversation
that means
starter,
okay, now there's a
icebreaker.
bit of
Fair.
If we've seen and ignoring, matlab the temperature is still high, so you
yeah.
give some
so still
space.
little space is needed for
That's
each
fair.
other. Yeah.
But in a household where now there are 2 girls, are you both more closer? How does the brother come into this equation?
Brother.
Brother.
Are you all closer
He's
to
the
him?
No, for the
most
longest we treated
Are
our
you
brother
serious?
like a third sister.
Yeah.
Sorry, we are saying this, but he
We
was,
used to just dress him up until
Yeah.
he realized that you know. he
Wait,
was just
what?
Like,
yeah, it used to be like
He was like our
Little-
guinea pig,
yeah, like a
where
guinea
we
pig.
used to dress him
style
up, and then
him,
when he
dress him up.
realized that you know
Yeah,
I am
boy.
being tortured,
yeah.
then he
But then
gave
he
up.
joined us in playing घर घर वो घर
Then,
घर जो
yeah.
हम typical बोलते घर घर
Gar
खेलते
Gar,
थे,
and
ये
then
करते थे, वो
then
करते थे.
we parted ways. He had his action figures, and
Yeah.
we had
Then
our
suddenly
Barbies and-
Spider-Man, those
Oh,
Batmans and
no.
everything came
Yeah.
in. So then we realized now it's time for him to sideline. Let him have his.
But 3 of y'all are equally close.
Yeah,
Yeah.
equally close. So
Yeah.
before we two were sharing a room, we 3 were sharing.
three
a
were
room.
Oh my
We
god.
3 also
yeah,
shared a
yeah.
room.
This is just
So,
getting, I can't
Yeah,
imagine.
Yeah. Then
that
I
also
think,
we've
yeah.
done. So we were always very close.
Yeah.
We were
हमारा
like
study table also there was
There
a
were like a
long study
very-
table, so it was divided also like that. Gurleen,
1, 2,
Sukhmani,
3.
Mehar, like it was like that. So we used to sit and study also together at one
This is
point.
taking me back to my childhood.
Yeah.
But this
so
is
it was
crazy.
a very
Proper.
Okay, now
Yeah.
since playing Ghar Ghar to cooking food to now you have Kumani Stylist, I want to know what inspired the both of you to start this page.
what inspired. That's a very long journey
Yeah,
that
it's,
we go back to, and I think we started working together as under somebody
yeah,
as assistants.
assistant
as, you
stylist.
know, we were styling, and then there was this one day, you know, we took a stand and we were like, till when, you know, you
Yeah.
going to assist? Let's just take the risk, take a leap of faith, and you know, start something of our own. We'll see where it goes. And one after the other, we started taking
Yeah.
up projects, and then we
Yeah.
thought like, you know, we need to give it a name.
Yeah.
And then GU of
Yeah, yeah.
and
Gurleen
Mani.
and
And we
Sukhmani,
also
so-
thought it also means pride. So
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
so we
Nice.
wanted to make it meaningful.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's how it formed. And since then, until we
Yeah.
started content creation, that was like a full.
It's been a long journey for us, like from like assisting, and we come from different backgrounds also together to study. Like she studied filmmaking, I studied designing, and together then it just came in together, and we were
together on being just
on
being on a set
film set.
together.
Oh wow.
Like, yeah, and then assisting, then like quitting assisting, and then Sukhi was like, let's do it, let's like why not,
Let's
like
see.
let's leave it and let's see what happens
Where it
next,
goes.
right? And take a jump, and then suddenly, as on some other set only, we were discovered, like she was discovered and she was offered ki let's do this, and she's like, Didi, this is something that's coming up and let's try it and
Yeah.
then do it.
So that's
And
how it
then
formed. So we initially we didn't think of, you know, monetizing it
Yeah.
because we were new, right? But then as assistants we had people who had seen our work. And,
Yeah.
they took a chance on us. And
Yeah,
yeah,
they
so that's
believed
how
in
it
us, I would say, rather. And then I think the belief turned into something.
But we were very like, honestly, I'm not going to. So, like I said, I had to fill in the shoes. We were very like always hardworking. We always wanted to work. So there
Yeah,
was
like-
not one instance or one day that we've never said no to any work.
Anything, yeah.
Any kind of work, be it a small job or a big job. No job was actually me. I'm sorry if I said small or big. It was never small or big for
Yeah.
us. It was an experience. Everything was
Yeah.
learning experience. So we
Yeah.
always enjoyed
Whatever
it.
came our way, we just
Yeah.
took it. We never
And we
thought,
enjoyed.
Arey, why this artist or why this kind of project, be it an ad shoot or be it a music video, to
Yeah.
being on you know,
A reality show. Mostly we've done reality.
Yeah, we
or
done
a
a
web
lot of
series.
reality shows, and so
we really enjoyed
yeah,
every bit
from
of it.
being
We
on a
didn't
film
like,
set, you know, everything. So we've tried, tested, done, said yes to everything, and I think that's what gave us the whole 360-degree experience of the.
And because we were young, so people, you know, giving us that opportunity was
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
a big thing for us. So we.
So how
we
did
said yes to
content
what-
creation come into play
that
here?
she'll say.
Who started first?
She started first, yeah.
Actually, again, we were. I think most of the people is
Yeah.
when they discovered this during lockdown.
COVID, yeah.
And since you know I had a background with fashion and we knew all the people, we used to
Yeah.
source all these clothes for artists
Yeah.
through the same PRs that we work with for ourselves right now. And
Yeah, the PR
at-
connections added a bit of a plus point for us because we already knew the right people.
Correct.
It's
Yeah.
just styling, instead of styling
Yeah.
the artists, we were
More
styling
than
each
content
other. And
creation,
just,
honestly.
like, you know, for us
Yeah.
it was a source of keeping us
Keeping-
busy,
yes.
entertaining
So-
ourselves.
we have a lot of energy, you know.
Yeah.
We like want
We're
to
like,
keep
what next?
doing
What
something.
next? अब
मतलब
क्या करें? अब कैसे होगा?
it's a day that you know we start our day very early, so we want कि मतलब ये भी करना है वो भी करना है चलो let's
like
do
to
this
be
also.
busy.
So if there's one project that I am doing, then Gulleen will be. If something else comes, that we'll split and
Yeah.
we'll do
We've
things.
done
Like
that
we
also.
used to love doing that. Let's just
Yeah.
split. Let's take as much as we can. Let's
can.
just do it. Let's do
Yeah,
it for the
so
fun
for
of
us,
it.
we were like, I think the no word didn't exist
Yeah.
for us.
We
So
were like,
whatever
let's
come
just
our
do
way,
it.
we would meet ends to get it together and make it happen. Like
Yeah.
it was like that for us.
So
Yeah.
COVID was like, अब तो घर का काम कर लिया, झाड़ू कर लिया, पोछा कर लिया,
हाँ,
अब क्या
अब
करें?
क्या
Now
करें?
what? Where to put our fashion कीड़ा now? What to do
Yeah.
with that?
Yeah.
Fair.
So that's how it started.
Then content creation happened.
Perfect. See, now this got a little serious, so I'll put the rapid fire here. Okay. Now, I will basically
easy.
ask, yeah, a very easy one.
Yeah, okay.
And these are just questions, and you have to just point to who does this and maybe give us a fun
Done.
story if you have.
Yeah.
Okay, the first one is who always steals clothes without asking? She has
That's
not
what-
even
she's-
looked
yeah.
back. She's like,
She's
हाँ
like,
मैं ही
हाँ,
हूँ."
यही है वो, यही है. It's gone, it's taken by her. Then never comes back.
Who gets more dramatic during fights?
Dramatic?
Yeah, I think I do. Yeah.
ऐसा क्या करती हो आप?
मैं रोना धोना थोड़ा हो जाता है मेरे से ज़्यादा. Yeah,
What?
like
इसके
it-
साथ लड़ाई करने में क्या रोना?
No, it starts as a
I
verbal
mean, as a
fight.
sibling.
No.
As a sibling, what do you cry about?
So it starts as a verbal fight, then
I don't
Yeah.
do this to you verbal मतलब क्या? It does not get
बचपन में तो
physical.
होती थी. बचपन में it used to get physical.
अभी तो नहीं।
अभी नहीं
तो
होती है.
बचपन में तुम कौन सा ड्रामा करती थी?
बचपन में
रोना
hair
तो होता
pulling
था
and
ना.
all.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
sure.
yeah. Everything has happened.
Yeah, I've only cried fighting with my
I
dad.
wish we
so
would
I
do
was
that now
Push,
also.
pull, hit, grab, जो ऐसे कपड़ा गिर सब हो जाए. एक
मेरे
दूसरे
भाई
को
के साथ
पटक-
तो मैं अभी भी करती हूँ, उसको
Yeah.
असर नहीं होता,
Yeah.
उसकी वो चमड़ी मोटी हो गई है.
like, fair. But who says sorry first? But you said there is no sorry in this relationship. But
Sorry is there.
We
Sorry
say
exists.
sorry
but,
exists.
ठीक है मतलब I
कौन-
think
it comes.
whoever mistake वो पहले आके बोल ही देता है. अंदर से तो पता
No,
ही
that's
किसकी
her.
गलती है.
I take time to say sorry.
so she's going it on you.
She takes sorry. She says sorry. I take time to say sorry.
She's accepting it.
I am
I'm gonna take my
accepting
sweet
it.
time
I
to say
take time
sorry.
to say sorry.
Okay. One thing your sister does that instantly annoys you, but then you miss it when she's not there.
Instantly annoys.
But
Oh.
फिर अगर वो नहीं है, you're like, अरे यार, I miss it.
I'll tell you what. She has this very bad habit. Oh my god, she wakes up earlier than everyone, okay? And she'll make sure that she's woken up and the entire house knows. She'll open the curtains, she'll put on
Arey
the
yaar.
songs on TV, she'll come,
Put on the song
Get up.
on TV.
she'll come in front.
That
Get
was,
up,
that
wake
was
up.
pre-marriage. That was pre-marriage.
You still do that when we're sleeping. She does that to her husband also. That's
बेचारा.
a habit.
No,
She'll
I
be
try to
"Will-
like go quietly tiptoe and get out of the
Boo,
room.
get
now.
up, boo,
बदनाम
get
मत
up.
करो
That's what
मुझे,
she'll do.
बदनाम मत करो. I do.
It's time to get up, get up.
Why would
you
you do
woken
that?
up.
I don't know. I just have this very active energy, and I would
हाँ,
want
तो
to
keep
like
it to
constantly
yourself,
keep
no.
doing.
तो तू क्या करती है? What do you do?
She used to get up. This has come from my parents. My parents are like that. They get up very early, and they made me like that. I'm gonna blame them. I'm not gonna take it.
So what do
I
you
have
do?
been
Do
with
you-
the same parents.
No,
I don't go
it is-
and poke her, please.
I never poke you. When did I poke
Next
you?
question.
Wait, what is one annoying thing about her? हाँ, आपने तो कर ली बुराई, उसको तो करने का मौका भी नहीं दे रही.
Which you miss also.
Which I miss also.
You,
Achha,
you miss this?
Yeah,
Why
because
would you
sometimes I
miss
wake
this?
up late. No, I miss out on things.
She is she has her own pace of doing things. Like she'll अच्छा ready होना है, अच्छा 7 बजे निकलना है, 7 बज चुके हैं, she's nicely curling her hair, and I'm ready.
But how do you miss that?
I don't miss that. It's just annoying. Like that's it.
So somebody's not there when she's getting ready.
Yeah,
so
like
she's just
like the
missing.
company is something that I miss, but getting late is something that I don't.
I'm
miss.
never late. People are before time.
This interview was supposed to start again. रहने देते.
No way. But she has like even if we have to do something, but she'll be at her pace, doing things in her speed, and I'm like, so 7 बज चुके हैं. हाँ बस 5 मिनट. हाँ बस 5 मिनट. So that 5 minutes is never ending. So that's
This
something.
full younger sibling हम ऐसे होता है क्या बोल?
अब
क्या
वो
बोलूं?
जगह ही नहीं देगी. She's taken up the whole mirror.
I
What
will
do I do?
move away. She'll be like, no, don't move. Please take the mirror. You take the mirror.
इतनी अच्छी हो. Okay, what is one code word you use in public to signal something? ऐसा कुछ है?
I think we just have this glance. We'll just look at each other. That's
We'll
it.
just look
That's
at
fine.
each other.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
just
That's-
enough.
That's
That's
all
just-
you need.
Yeah, that's all you need.
What is the most embarrassing childhood nickname that you all have given each other that deserves to stay in the past?
Embarrassing nickname तो नहीं दिया हमने.
मैंने उसको
नहीं,
like
लड्डू
I तो
वड्डू
call her
types.
पागल.
Yeah, she calls me pagal. She
That is
calls
not
me and my
embarrassing.
brother pagal. That's not embarrassing. How is that?
pagal
Imagine
तो
you're walking in the public, ये पागल ये दे दे. Imagine somebody's like your sister is only coming and saying you that. She's
हाँ,
done.
she has one. It's
What?
Goggy. So my,
God.
Goggy. Okay, so our brother could not speak. Like he had like, my mother was worried until 5. He would be like a totla and he would like pick up words.
Oh, no.
Like he had a school interview and
Yeah,
so
yeah.
he used to call her Goggy.
Instead of Gurleen, he couldn't say the full name Gurleen Didi or anything, so he used to call
Oh.
you Goggy Didi. So that
So
was his
Goggy.
version of my.
So we still call her Goggy.
yeah,
That's
sometimes.
really cute though.
That's not
Damn
cute.
sweet.
It's
I
embarrassing.
think it's
She
cute.
got you
See, now
embarrassing.
this is
कैसे उसको
cute.
ध्यान आया उसको?
All right. Who is your favorite celebrity sibling duo?
Favorite celebrity sibling duo?
Mine is Gigi and Bella. I really like them.
She was so
She
ready.
went international.
Yeah.
She's got
See, one
like
like Indian, I
international-
like Sonam Kapoor and Riya Kapoor. I
Yeah.
think they're really
Yeah, I would agree.
great.
Stylist सी चुना है तुम
Yeah.
लोगों ने.
I think they have a good
yeah.
bond.
Yeah.
Hmm.
They had it. I agree to that. We've discussed this also
Yeah.
over the
I
conversation.
think they've just like they cheerlead for each other and
They're there for
they
each
have
other. They
yeah.
have their own
At
way
least
of
for what
working.
I see through the
No,
lens,
but that's,
not
I
like,
think
like
it
personally.
is what it is because
Yeah.
we've met couple of stylists who've been
Yeah, people
working
will.
with
So
them.
you've been in
and
the
everything.
industry also, so you
Yeah.
would
So
know them
as much
better.
as we've seen them,
Yeah.
I really.
I like Sunny and Vicky. I think they're.
Oh, you meant like we can choose like male counterparts.
Yeah, yeah, why not? Bhai,
So
behan,
we
bhai,
have to
bhai.
ogle on them or like see
Oh
they are
my
like
God.
bhai ka relationship देख रहे हैं कि like we need to.
Funny. Yeah, they're also
Yeah, they're
quite
nice.
cheerleaders
Yeah,
for each other.
Yeah.
and
They're nice.
supporting
Look at them,
each
damn
other,
cute.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is the last one, but one piece of life advice you would give your sister today, without any sarcasm.
Without any sarcasm. I think patience. That's what I give. Even though I don't keep patience at times, but I definitely would like to give because through time or with time, I've also learned and I'm still learning. I try to keep patience as much as I can.
खुद के पास नहीं है मुझे advice देने के.
पर मैं दे तो सकती हूँ ना, मैं अपनी गलतियों से तो सीख के तुमको सिखा सकती हूँ. That's the least I can do.
Practice what you preach.
I
That
try.
is my
That's what
advice
I'm
to
saying.
you.
I'm
She
still
has to say
trying. I
that
still
only.
try my best, but as an elder sister, that's the only thing. Like I do get impatient at times. I won't say that, but that's something again I'm learning from this thing. So yeah, at least I improve. I try to improve every day, and I hope
What?
I have improved.
What would you tell her?
again, see, in a different way, not patience, but you know, when you're impatient, you don't enjoy the moment that you're in right now. So that's what you sometimes miss out on.
Yeah.
So that's something that I would really want
Yeah,
her to
I do get
learn.
restless at
So
times.
that
which is
at
something I
that
know
point
about
you miss
myself.
out on things that you really need to enjoy at that moment.
My next question was also going to be because you're married now.
Yeah.
She is, I think, very soon
She's
going
also
to get
getting married, so don't look at me like that. But
So,
yeah.
based on the experience you've had on your wedding day, if you
Yeah.
had to give her some core advice for her wedding day, what would it be?
Wedding day to how much ever you plan, nothing's gonna work as per
How
your plan.
ये anxiety बढ़ा रही है?
No, I'm not a planner.
She's
I
not
believe
this,
her.
and I'm a
Yeah,
very big
I'm a
control
very-
freak.
But
Not, I
wedding
don't
to-
control people.
I'll
but
try, but eventually I give in. I'm like, जो हो रहा है उन्हें enjoy. Like I said, I enjoy myself.
बट उस वक्त ये बोलने की बातें होती है, फिर जब कुछ ऐसे नहीं हो रहा होता है ना अपने हिसाब से, तब दिमाग में तो वो चल ही रहा होता है कि अरे ये ऐसे होना चाहिए था, ये ऐसा नहीं हुआ. So that is something that's there. And for the wedding day, yes, because I tried my best to do as much as I could, and then before wedding I had given my responsibility to her only. And similarly my husband gave responsibility to his brother and everything. But still, how much ever we tried to do the best we could, it didn't happen the way we wanted. But yes, the
इतना तो
moments,
मजा आया था
the moments
जबरदस्त.
are good. So there was no network.
We
Okay,
took-
at okay 3 days we were the location.
हाँ,
we
we'll
will
find
get
a
it.
venue with good network is her
Yeah.
advice.
There was no network.
She's
and
like,
I'm
घुमा फिरा के
this
ही
is
बोलने
not
वाली
it.
है,
And
बोल
I want
देती
to
हूँ.
tell something to my husband, and there was no way of communicating anything to him.
तो मैसेंजर भेजना पड़ता
Yeah,
था
so we used to
कबूतर
send
जा जा.
LRs. It was like
Oh,
a
God.
family farmhouse, and we were like in the other ends, and that made me again restless behavior came in the
सोचो,
picture.
our mom dad got married without phones, so it's not a problem. It's not a big problem.
But they were not
we are
planning
used
the
to
wedding.
phones, yaar.
Na.
ये तो-
They are not. They were not planning the wedding. Now we were planning the thing, so we were coordinating things.
Very nice.
But I want to know in this relationship, did it ever come कि she has to approve your partner, you have to approve her partner, सिर्फ तभी शादी होगी? And did you all
Yes, very
approve?
important.
But did you all approve each other's partners?
I think we never made it very obvious that you have to approve it, but अंदर से वो डर रहता था.
हाँ,
What
will
will
she
she
like
think
it?
about? Will she be able to bond as much as like we bond with each other? Will we be able to take the holidays we take together and the food taste? I mean, so many
Yeah.
things matter at the end of the day. So that's-
Yeah, because you know we're more like friends because you are family without your choice, right? But you know, you're friends
Yeah.
by choice, and we are best friends by choice.
Yeah.
Like so, it's a great pressure. So not just like siblings,
Yeah.
but you know, just to be a part of the friends group.
No, because I'll tell you why. Because I have always told my parents that if you ever find a guy for me, it has to be like my sister. Because of the way she takes care of me. So
Yeah.
that
So
way.
nice, yeah.
So that way, have you felt like, I found a person who can take care of me like my family does?
I
And
think,
have you seen
yeah.
those qualities in her guy?
Yes, he is. For her, though, I'm very happy because this person who she's found is someone who understands her nature and the way she functions and everything. And there's a little bit of, a side of this childish, which I don't want her to lose over time, and that he understands. So that's something that's great. And of course, yes, we had that thing. So before he came into the picture, the stress was about my partner. Then we three bonded as together. Then the question was whether the fourth person will be able to bond as much as we three are bonding
Oh shit,
together.
then the brother's wife comes in.
Yeah, तो अब वो pressure उस पे आ गया. Now we've taken the pressure. Now the pressure.
My
is on
brother
him.
is still not met the guy. He's still far, far away.
Yeah. He's not met him yet. But yeah, video call पे थोड़ा बहुत बात. But once we approve,
Wait,
then
your
he has
brother
to-
hasn't met who?
My fiance.
Her
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
straight
for
coming for
her
the
it was
wedding.
very chat mangni pat byah situation.
What do you say? How long were you all together?
That is a
before?
different
Arey,
interview.
yeah,
That's
you-
a
sorry,
different
sorry.
conversation.
I got
That's not
distracted.
We'll do that on Valentine's.
I got completely distracted. Okay, but you all have approved each other's guys.
Yeah.
So that's very cute.
At least what we're saying right now.
Uh,
So I don't have a choice now. She's married 3 years.
same to you. Don't worry.
हो जाएगा. Okay.
The person who can tolerate her, we are like, भाई, तू कर शादी और लेके जा
That's
इसको.
very mean to say.
मिलती हूँ मैं इसको अकेले में.
Okay, now I want to end with one personal question for both of you. Gurleen, you have this one tag on your social media bio. It says your wife next door. It's become iconic. Where did this come from? Was it intentional?
really. Like, I think when I got married and I was just doing very homely things around it and everything, and I just felt like maybe there are all these wives out there who are ambitious to work also. And I've seen, like, you know, when we used to travel in local train or anything, there were women who were going from one corner to the other. They were still cutting bhindi in the train and making
Yeah.
meals for their families and
Multitasking.
still hustling around. So that was something that I really looked forward to, and that kind of motivated me always, that, you know, there's, of course, we always say ki, oh, women should there's no such thing, men should also multitask and help around with the
Yeah.
task and everything. That's always there, and like my partner does help me. I'm not saying he does everything, but he tries his best to be there. But that hustle is something that kind of motivated me, and I just thought that it's not just me who's hustling. There are so many wives out there who are hustling and doing their best they can, and, you know, still trying to make a name of themselves. So that was something that happened, and then it was a very candid, like, it just happened. Like, I made a recipe and I was like, let's post it, and then I was like, now what name to give? And I was like, I just became a wife, so let's
That's
just
so
be the wife
cute.
next door.
Yeah, it's something that people can relate to.
Yeah.
I
You're-
love it.
You're a
Yeah.
girl next door.
Exactly.
People relate
Yeah.
to it. And
Yeah.
you're a wife next
Wife
door.
next door.
And you relate to something
Love
like
it.
that.
For you, Sukhmani, now, I love how your feed looks. I think it looks damn nice. So I wanted to know, your page is it's a masterclass in everyday for all of us. I love the outfits. How do you plan your whole entire feed and the reel section of it?
Plan my feed, and so I am somebody who's always been into, like, you know, I love my Indian designers and just, like, you know, that's how we started. When we started content creation, it was a two-way street where not a lot of bigger designers or brands believed in,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
our
of course.
content, because we were still just like starting, but we still had, you know, help of designers that we'd worked through, and at that time it was a lockdown and people were like suffering. The designers went through a very
Yeah.
so they gave me clothes, and I used to promote them, and it was like, you know, a give and take from both ends, and they believed in me. So since then, the designers that, you know, who've believed in me, and I just love putting Indian brands out there on my feed as much as I can, and dressing up. It's like, you know, playing dress up. It's a girl's dream. No?
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
you just
Getting
dress
paid
up
for it.
yourself. Yeah,
Yeah.
you dress up yourself and you feel good.
Yeah.
It's just something that makes me feel good, to look good, to dress up, to promote. And if somebody makes a sale through my post, that's the best thing about my
That's
post.
beautifully said, yeah.
Yeah.
But now I want to know the last question of both of you, since both of you all are in the industry and you all create different niches of content. How do you make sure that there's that line between हाँ ये personal है और ये public है?
You want to go first?
So it's just our individual lives, right? Like how much to share and not to share. So that's something I think in general also we've been, because since we've been each other's best friends, so we've never gone and put our vulnerable sides out in public into anybody. So that's something that's always been there with us, and that kind of helped draw a line very easily, you know, ki I want to share a part of my life, but I want to of course I want them to know whether I do struggle or not struggle, and I do give it a hint, but I try to make the page sound very positive. So that's something, because, and that's when, you know, when people DM me also or they message me, they always say that, you know, there's a bit of a positive side to your feed whenever we come.
I also want to know this fun bit, since both of you all are in the industry and obviously there's a lot of gossip that happens, news that's shared. Who do you think is the one that might slip up in an industry event if both of you all are there and there's a gossip that you can't really put out there, but you've told your sister and by mistake she has spread it? Who one of you think would be the one to mess up?
So she and my mom, they can't keep anything in their stomach. Never.
But it's an internal
Never.
thing. We won't go
Yeah,
say
bahar
it
ki
But
Sure.
still, if
Ghar
like,
ki
if
baat
even
ghar
if
mein hi
it's
reh
like a
jati hai.
blurt out,
It's
like,
a
you know,
like a
acha,
thing.
you know what?
Yeah, that's gonna be more
That's
likely
her.
me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll never do that.
Okay, I want to end this interview with, actually I just noticed the tattoos that you all have. Is it the same
Yes.
tattoo?
Yes, we both.
Can we
twin
end
tattoo.
with what that means?
Okay.
Yeah.
both of
So
you.
Jugni is
Means a female dragonfly.
Ooh.
And it
firefly,
also,
like
it's
radiating.
written in
Punjabi.
Punjabi,
Since
Gurmukhi.
we are
And
Yeah.
it also means radiating light, and you can fly.
Yeah, like you know,
wherever
like
you
this
want.
carefree girl who radiates light wherever she goes.
You might have
It's
heard
like
a
an
lot of
energy.
songs on Jugni.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So it's written
yeah.
in Punjabi, and
With that, we come to the end of our conversation with these sisters. Do you all want to say anything to the audience related to Raksha Bandhan, sibling bond, anything to end with?
okay, in case you're watching this, firstly, thank you for watching,
Yeah.
and keep fighting with your siblings.
Yeah, that's
keep,
something that keeps it going. I feel.
yeah,
The
it's
fights.
healthy.
It's healthy.
It is very healthy, I would also agree.
Yeah, she's
लड़ाई
agreed.
कर लो यार. झगड़े से ही तो प्यार बढ़ता है.
हाँ.
I think that's what they say. It's
Yeah.
very honest.
That's
I
what
would
makes you vulnerable and shows the different side of you. So
Yeah.
if you can fight with somebody, that means you're vulnerable with them.
Yeah. Okay.
Yay. All right.
Thank
bye.
you so much for having us.